like with It's Alive, coming to you from behind the wheel of a 1961 Austin-Healey 3000 Mark I. This car is actually being offered from our owner, Mr. Homscher's private collection. Having acquired the car originally out west in 2016, Jeff actually had it shipped to his Michigan property and enjoyed it up there for a couple years during season. The Austin-Healey 3000 is the successor to the 106, which was Austin-Healey's first variant featuring the 6-cylinder 3-liter engine. This car, per the Heritage Certificate, retains its matching numbers: 2,912cc overhead valve inline-6 cylinder, and furthermore benefits from factory optional overdrive, which, just like the TRs and the Jags, works at the flick of a switch. Moving along 55 miles an hour in overdrive in 4th gear. RPM is now 2,100 RPM. Take it out. RPM goes back up to 2,500. These early 6-cylinder Healeys are some of my favorite British sports cars to drive. They're light, they're nimble, they're stylish, and the early ones, like this BT7 here, retain the style of the 104 dashboard. And additionally, charm is enhanced from the side shift mounted 4-speed gearbox. Curiously, per the Heritage Certificate, this car's original color combination was originally ivory white with black coves with a red interior. Currently, it's been repainted in Colorado red over black coves with a black interior. The exhaust note out of this twin pipe exhaust is just absolutely fantastic. I can see why Jeff wanted to hold on to this one for as long as he did. We've been behind the wheel for about 10 minutes now. Oil pressure at 50 miles an hour at 2,500 RPM, right at 50 PSI. Water temperature holding steady at about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. It's no secret that the Austin-Healey market has kind of taken a dip over the past couple of years, which there's two schools of thought there. Number one, yeah, it's kind of unfortunate because these cars are genuinely spectacular. Conversely, the market on these big Healeys being in a little bit of a lull is actually kind of a good thing for new buyers and a younger generation to get more invested in these great British sports cars. They offer a mix of style and speed and just overall fun that is extremely hard to replicate. And in my opinion, are some of the most fun British sports cars to take around for a jaunt. This car does come with its convertible top and removable convertible top frame, and an original AMCO full tonneau cover, which unfortunately does contain a couple small imperfections, but still perfectly usable. Being an original AMCO cover though, I think it just adds to the charm. Brakes stop nice and even, a little noisy. One thing you'll note about the gearboxes in these earlier Healeys versus like a BJ8, they require a little bit more patience, which then again, you're talking about a 60-plus-year-old car. Trafficator turn signal works and even self-cancels. Plus, you could take this to your local drive-in, cruise-in, or cruise night, even your local Cars and Coffee. And depending on the crowd, a lot of people are going to have no idea what it is. To learn more about this or any of the other cars in our inventory, visit us at itsaliveauto.com or give us a call, 314-710-6600. And until next time, I'm Mike Dyer. Best regards, happy motoring. This car is just so much fun to drive.